Hey guys, today I want to do a quick video about this little insect that I found while I was walking around. It's a cicada on mom's flower. It's an amarilla, and it's an amarilla flower, and I found it just like hanging on the side here. Wow, that's so cool. There's the shell, and there it just hatched out. I'm missing off camera. There it is. It just hatched out. That is just fascinating. Hi. Move, they want to see you. Oh, he's mad at me now. It's like, don't touch me. But anyway, this shell, it used to be, that bug that I just showed y'all, used to be in that shell, and it went down in the ground, and it stayed there for like 17 years. And then it finally came out, and it hatched out of its shell. And it will live for like 1 to 2 years. That's so cool. That is just fascinating.